Hello and welcome. Today on Jade Green Health, we're exploring an exciting topic that's been gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits, the plant-based diet. We'll explore the many advantages of adopting a plant-based lifestyle and share some practical tips to help you get started or improve your current plant-based journey. First things first, what exactly is a plant-based diet? Well, it's a dietary approach that primarily focuses on whole, plant-based foods while limiting or excluding animal products. This means your meals center around fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. Let's now explore the benefits of this dietary lifestyle choice. Fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C, potassium, and folate, and also contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness. They're packed with antioxidants, which help combat free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Fruits also provide natural sugars for a healthy source of energy. Vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, making them ideal for weight management, and also provide vitamins like A, K, and various B vitamins, along with minerals like potassium and magnesium. Many vegetables have anti-inflammatory properties, contributing to reduced disease risk. Other benefits include the provision of a wide array of phytonutrients and antioxidants that support overall health. Legumes include beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas, are a great source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle maintenance and overall health. Legumes also contain complex carbohydrates that provide a steady source of energy and incorporate a range of vitamins and minerals, such as iron, folate, and potassium. Additionally, they are high in dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in effective weight management. Grains like wheat, rice, oats, quinoa, and barley serve as staple foods in many cultures and represent a versatile source of carbohydrates, the body's primary energy source. Whole grains are rich in dietary fiber, aiding in digestive health and provide essential nutrients like B vitamins, thiamine, riboflavin and niacin, and minerals, magnesium and iron. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews, are high in healthy fats and protein, fiber, vitamins, E, B complex, and minerals such as magnesium and zinc. Nuts are also a great source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that support heart health. Consequently, nuts are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and also improved weight management when consumed in moderation. Seeds like chia, flax, and sunflower seeds are small but nutritionally dense, containing omega-3 fatty acids, present in chia and flax seeds, which support heart and brain health. These versatile foods also provide good sources of protein, dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. In a plant-based diet, these food types all play a crucial role in providing essential nutrients, ensuring a balanced diet, and promoting overall health. By incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds into your meals, you can experience the numerous health benefits while enjoying a diverse and flavorful array of plant-based foods. Now, let's discuss the fantastic health benefits that come with adopting a balanced plant-based diet. One of the most significant advantages is improved heart health. Plant-based diets are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, which can lower your risk of heart disease, reduce cholesterol levels, and maintain healthy blood pressure. Maintaining a healthy weight is also easier with a plant-based diet. The abundance of fiber and the lower calorie density of plant foods can help with weight loss and weight management. Plant-based diets have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes, certain cancer variants, and even Alzheimer's disease. The high fiber content in plant-based foods promotes healthy digestion and may reduce the risk of digestive problems like constipation. Many people report increased energy levels and improved overall vitality when they switch to a plant-based diet. Now that we've discussed the benefits, let's look at some practical tips to help you either transition to or maintain a plant-based lifestyle. Start by making gradual changes. You can begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet whilst gradually reducing your consumption of animal products. Don't be afraid to explore new plant-based food options. There's a whole world of delicious and nutritious options for you to discover. Make sure to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of plant foods. This ensures that you get all the necessary nutrients, like protein, iron, and B vitamins. Meal planning can be your best friend. Plan your meals ahead of time to ensure you have access to healthy plant-based options throughout the week. Stay informed and educate yourself about plant-based nutrition so that you can make the most beneficial dietary choices. In conclusion, a plant-based diet offers a wide range of health benefits, from heart health to weight management and disease prevention. By following our tips and gradually making the shift, you can enjoy a healthier and more vibrant life. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. So, why not give it a try and see how a plant-based diet can work for you? Thank you for joining us for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content on health and nutrition. Until next time, stay healthy and embrace the power of plants. Bye for now.